Welcome to our hitting channel. We're back for the final game of the 4-game Florida half century with Mello, the Mello team from Palm Bay, Florida, Melbourne, Florida, which one of the best offensive outputs of the year, likely in the Florida half century, scoring 43 runs in their last game. Enjoy. Oh yeah, that's a break.
He got it, he got it! Yep. Oh yeah. Two. On the bag, on the bag. Hey, good hustle. Good hustle. Yeah.
Oh, that's gone. Holy mackerel. Holy mackerel.
Good night.
That went over them damn trees. Your mother didn't teach you that. I'm telling you that right now.
Way to be on, buddy. You got caught, buddy.
You didn't teach him that. Starting with what you do yesterday. What was the scores yesterday?
Yesterday we were like 34 to 18, and then we were like 28 to 5.
In that game we
good.
just won 20.
Both games, I think we scored, it was close to 59 runs.
In that game we scored 23 to 22.
Right, and we had like 18 home runs out of those 2 games. So
Out of the 2 games yesterday?
Yeah.
How many home runs you get in that game?
This game here we probably had 6, at least 6 or 8.
Scott and Pat are ripping, and Erick, aren't they?
Oh yeah, they are.
Yeah.
And Scott Rose is hitting them good.
Free, John. Over here, John. Easy, John.
Nice swing, Eddie. That's a nice job.
Stay there, Tim.
That's a hit.
There we go.
Awful wide for old man. Don't take it so wide,
You
man.
run it for me. I guess you gotta run for me. Rabbit? Yeah, rabbit.
Man, that's hell of a note there.
One base, Kenny, one base.
Anybody be a rabbit? Hey, anybody can be a rabbit, Eddie. Okay.
Great shot, but right at him. Hard to tell this guy he's jumping when he's only made 1 out the whole day. That's going. It's going. Still jumping, but it went.
Juan, following you, bud. Be a leader.
Hey, I hate to tell you this, but you were jumping. But hey, keep it up. You're only batting .990. That's it. That's it.
Right there. Stay there.
Oh, hell, go 3. Why not?
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah. Oh man, what a fierce swing. That's a fierce swing right there, buddy.
What?
Nice swing. I got it, Johnny. Lock up.
Oh.
No. That was that's the right ball. I should have catched it a long way. My bad, guys.
Nice. God bless America. That boy, that's Blair I know from 20 years ago. That's a guy I know from 20 years ago. Dead ball hit the screen, the runner advances. You heard that rule? I just made it up. I don't know if it's rule. Oh. Oh, Timmy, you got
No, tag.
well. You sure can hit, but you got to learn how to count, boy. Dude, you got to count, man. But you asked, so we got to give you a plus for that. Nice shot, Eddie.
Come on, Erick.
Come on. Nice and easy, buddy. Easy.
Good job, Eddie. Maybe it.
But you don't when you're not hitting it, you're hitting it on a handle. Looks like you're trying maybe. I don't know why he's trying to go deep. But he hit it pretty good, huh? Almost missed it.
Pat, need to go here.
Go, Pat. Easy, Pat. Easy, Pat. Easy, Pat.
Oh, shit. That was horrible.
Come on.
That's the hole. That's the hole, boys. That's the hole.
That boy won. Come on.
Up that we can take this thing. Oh, he missed it too. He missed it out of here, maybe. No. No. Well,
I'm behind it.
no.
I'm swinging out front.
There you go. He's out. Yeah, he's getting that. He's out. Be a hit, big boy. Catch that.
Good job, John.
There you go. Oh. Damn ice skater.
As a grandfather of an ice skater, you would know that's a pirouette.
Yo, I'm not a avid.
Okay.
You know what my sports are. It ain't ice skating. But my son would know that because he knows everything. So that's why. You know what the hell that means? Oh yeah, it's gone. Look at my man. He done. Look at you, dude. You what they call awesome, dude. Nice job. Oh. What's your name, bud?
Daryl.
Hold on.
Now he's been sitting on it like this.
I can't. There we go. What's your name?
Daryl
Daryl what?
Seller,
How old are you?
57.
You know Dave Sellers? No? What's your name, big guy?
Pat.
Pat what?
Corrigan.
Oregon. Okay, I'm going to have you on my channel. What's your name, big guy?
Sean.
Sean what? What's your name?
Russell Sellers.
Russell. So you got brother? That's your brother?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your name, big?
Chris Gardner,
Chris Gardner.
coach of the Tri-County Bombers.
Oh, yeah, okay. All the three of you coaches.
Astros pitcher.
Oh, was it? What about you?
Why didn't you tell me that sooner, man?
I was, yeah.
What's your name, Biggie?
Bucky Holt.
Bucky Holt?
Named after Bucky Dent.
Are you? So you're a ball player too. You guys got some studs over here. Got all these damn coaches over here. No wonder you're good. What's your name, Biggie?
Terry Oliver.
You any good?
No.
Okay, good. What's your name? How old are you?
58.
58. You're getting old.
We're all
You're only 20 years behind me.
We're all
What
old.
about you? You a stud, man. You get that living.
I'm only 22.
22.
Yeah.
Yeah, I figured you fake birth certificate. Yeah.
I grow a little hair on my face.
You a coach too?
I umpire. I'm like an umpire.
Like an
Girls
umpire.
softball, girls softball, baseball. Played travel ball for a long time.
And give me your name again, Coach. JD.
Larry Dasher.
Larry Dasher.
Yes, sir.
LD. Is
LD.
that-
Larry Dasher and Billy Garbett.
And Billy Garber. Yeah.
Playing together for, what, 30 years?
Well, you got my contact. You know,
I got it, buddy. We definitely.
you guys could be playing at the upper level. I mean, not that you guys think the upper level.
I used to play OB and Bob O'Brien.
Well, you got, yeah.
Major
Okay,
Open.
that's what I was
I played
recruiting
Major
for,
Open.
Bob and those
I
guys.
played major up on Bob O'Brien.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Back in the day when I was fast and skinny and
Yeah, but how old are you, you said?
54, I just turned 54.
You still play 55 ball,
I
man.
know, everything hurts.
Well, shit. I'm 78. I've been playing major plus level since I was
I
35.
enjoy it. My uncle was on Belcourt.
What was his
back in
name?
the day. Belcourt.
Bell.
Back in-
What's his name?
Buddy Bell.
Buddy Bell.
That was one of my. That was friends
So-
of my uncle. They were like best friends growing up.
Oh, okay.
But I was back then. I was 150 pounds. You know, fast as crap. Throw the ball like and then I tore my labrum a couple times.
Yeah, I know all them Belcourt boys.
yeah.
We
Back in the day,
played
man.
them. I never played with them, but yeah.
That was my dream, and then I got up to playing Major Open, the second tournament for my labrum. Dove in Michigan, caught the ball, landed it on my shoulder. I was out hell of a
What's the score up? If you know, I didn't think you knew, but
3-0.
huh?
That's my
3-0.
job
Who's
to
winning?
know.
Who's winning?
The home team.
Oh, you wise ass. He does that to me because you know I'm challenged. Go ahead. Top of what? 6?
Top of 6.
We got to get 7 here, man, if we want to win this game. Yeah. That guy's got a nice glove.
One base, Donnie, one base.
That's a nice shot, man. Damn it. Yeah, he's tired. That's gone. That's gone. That's out of this world. Yes. That's major league over in, that was like 340. Oh.
You have a runner?
I don't know what the hell he said, but I second it. Get out of here. He hit that one fairly good. Yeah, it's out of here. There you go.
Nice.
There you go. You found your sweet spot. Oh, you changed bats. You changed bats, big boy.
Yeah.
It's
A little lighter. A little lighter.
Oh, Blair did it again. That guy's on fire. That went out.
That's 7, boys. Let's go.
That one's off the knob too.
Attaboy, Blair.
Dude,
Attaboy,
what the hell
Blair.
you eating, man?
Attaboy, Blair.
Damn 64-year-old power hitter.
Get that off the back.
Dude. Yeah, hit on the handle. Well, you hit it on the handle. You hit that perfectly, man. So, what we got? Bottom of 6 up. You wake up, bottom of 6. Home team still winning?
Not anymore.
Not anymore. What's the score then?
23-19.
What? 23-19. You do the math and everything for me. I appreciate that. Big LD's up here. I'm gonna get LD's the coach at the Villages High School.
What?
Oh Lord! Holy shit! Dude, check that guy's whatever level. This guy here has hit 3 bombs. There's another one. Holy mackerel, look at that. Damn. These guys got several coaches over there, and they're really good players. Still in their damn prime in the 50s. I can tell you them last 2 shots by those guys were mega shots. That's another one. Holy shit. They're all swinging those onyx. They're all swinging them onyx, man. Ooh. It's 3 in a row. That was a bullet. That's it. Nah, he reached for it. Timmy almost had it. Nice shot. Good piece of hitting, boys. Good piece. This is one of the best teams I've ever seen out of the Villages in my career. Oh, that was fair ball. What a piece of job that was. This is what these guys did in that last game. In the last couple innings, they just put a barrage of hits together.
What?
The man goes deep and right down the corner. Oh, geez, fair ball. That was 7.
Open inning.
Nice hit, man, by the way. Dude, them guys laid hits out there, didn't they?
Yeah, a little
Or
bit.
you were cheating, probably.
Pretty
You were
much.
telling them what to swing at and not to swing at.
No.
Right? No. What's the score, man?
3-0.
3-0.
Home team's ahead
But
now.
what is the physical score? Because
I can't add that high.
oh hell.
20.
Let me see. 6, 13,
26,
14,
23.
15, 16. 16 and 7 is 23. 26, 23.
Yes, sir.
It's pretty good, man.
Yeah.
God, man, you got. There you go. Timmy Moore, one of the best from Palm Bay. Still doing it. I've played with and against these guys since I was a kid. Nice job, Eddie. Nice piece of hitting. Nice piece of hitting. Nice job. What a nice piece of hitting right there. He did the right thing, looked over there. Nice piece of hitting. Done. You're hitting it hard but topping it. Good job. Good job, man. Good job. I don't know. We just got through the bottom. Well, that's a good piece of hitting, man. We just got through the bottom of order, guys, and now if my man comes through with a hit, he's made 2 tired swings. That's not tired. That's gonna go. He just hit a grand slam. I think that's it, man. Right there, where? Let me look. Right there. Huh? Come on, man. Grand slam.
I was hitting them.
Yeah, I know. I'm right once in a while. But you still got to do it, man. And you did it. Yeah, baby. To get that loosened up swing. That's the way to do it, man.
Hey, Juan, let's be fair.
You got to get a loosened up swing somehow. Nice job.
Boy.
That's what you call focus on that swing. That's what you do. Got to have focus it this time. This guy.
Let's go, Eric. Hey, nice and hard, baby. Easy.
Oh, goodbye.
Yeah, Eric. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, atta boy.
You ain't never got enough against these guys, you know.
Hey, Scott, here we go, bud.
Oh!
Yes, sir. Let's go.
Yeah, baby.
Got a home run?
Yeah, at a home run over that damn. That's the way I used to hit them.
Come on, John.
I tell you what.
Nice. Go two. Right there, John.
Guys, the name of the game is base hit. You see what? That's how we got here with base hit. Let the home runs come. Did he do it again? I can't see. He did it again.
Yeah, I'm over.
Nice job, Elmer. That's two of them for you, buddy, huh?
Thank you. Always young at the chance. You ready? That ball was a little high.
They just made it, you know, I don't know, we must have. How many runs are in, Coach?
I don't know.
We were down 3 and we got 9.
11 batters.
Got 9 in. Got 9 in, they said.
Oh, no. Coming in 9.
He said 9. The guy reporting the data from the ump. Flair trying.
Hey, that's only one, guys. Let's go. Keep your hammer down.
Got a 10 in anyway.
It's only one. Let's go. Shot, Tim. Let's go. Hey,
Timmy.
straighten that out a little bit. Just got on top of that a little bit. That's it. Atta boy.
Nice job, Timmy. Nice job.
That's
you. Yeah. 97 on the jugs.
Come on, coach. There you go. Oh, two. Hey, we're doing 2. Let's go.
Look at that. That's a good job. That's
Timmy, come here,
2.
Timmy.
We needed an extra run.
Easy cruising. Easy
Needed an
cruising. Easy
extra run.
cruising.
That's a big.
That'd be impossible.
Big hit here. Nice job. That could be the biggest hit. That right there could be the biggest hit of the game, turn this order over. Huh? That's a sweet job, man. You got your shit still going on. Come on, Patty, hit another one.
Tomorrow you're gonna be awesome.
What's that?
One, nice at bat last time. That was nice at bat. Totally focused. There it is.
Waited that time.
Here we go, one.
What? Good.
Hey, somewhere fair.
Oh, too low. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, man.
Job, one big hit right there.
My God. Come on. Stay hot, man. Stay hot. Nice job. That was a great shot. Juan. Great shot. You went early still, but saved it.
Hey, stay hot. Let's go, man. Hey, can I get some balls real quick? Yeah, I got it. Can I get some balls? Can I get some balls? Yes, sir. No, bring it up.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Another one. That's one. You made one out with that bat this weekend, huh? Huh? How many home runs you hit? 6. Yeah, boy. Look at this. Oh. That's what I'm talking about. It's your shit. There's two most amazing comebacks I've seen you guys do. Pretty damn impressive, to be honest with you. Oh, that's gone too. Holy shumoga.
That's Elmer. That's 3 at bats.
Plus, I think we got at least 15 runs in this last inning, top of the 7th. There you go. That's what I told him. Just hit through it. Yeah.
Coach, I didn't run yet.
Somebody run for 3, now we're up 6. 3 easy, 1, 3 easy. It's coming,
Coming. Hey, baby. Way to get there. Hey, bring him in.
That's just 16 runs so far, huh?
That's team ball right there, bro. That's having confidence.
Look at Eddie gonna go deep. He's burnt him too. Oh, damn. Eddie almost hit one out off the wall.
There. Hey, baby, Eddie.
Maybe I should go in and hit.
Coach, I don't think so.
No?
Hey, you gonna hit it that far, might as well hit it over.
17 runs.
20. That's 20.
Huh?
That's 20.
For me.
Oh, that's 20 in?
Yeah.
Oh, he just swung up.
Fall down, ball. Fall down, ball.
3. Right?
What's the score? We got 20 in the last inning.
43 to 26 right now.
23 what?
43 to 26. We
46.
scored 20 in the top of the 7th.
Wow. So we're up 17. That's maybe not be safe against these guys, but we'll see. Okay, we gotta get 3 outs.
Up.
Be picky, Russell. Be picky. Come on.
Right.
Hey, baby. Big spot.
Flat. Yeah, low.
It will be flat, I promise.
Thank you. Oh,
Hey, baby.
Old coach here hit it out about 380 last time.
Good luck.
Yeah, you can't.
2.
Got 1. Let's go.
No.
Nice pitch right there.
Yeah, Jesus. He's hit about 5 of them that I've seen over the damn trees. That's a long way. That's the game, boys. Well, I think the boys captured it with 2 great comebacks. 2 great comebacks. They won this sucker. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. It really did hit. 46 runs they scored. Mammoth. That's got to be 46 runs is a lot of runs.
Way to hit, guys.
Nice job, man. Nice job, guys. Nice job, Coach. Way to hit it, man.
Appreciate it, buddy.
Dude, you a buster, man. Good game. Good game. Way to hit. Way to hit. Way to hit. Way to hit. Tell me what to do.
Oh, man. Heavenly Father, we come to you today, Sunday, Lord, your day. We're thankful that all these men are still able to play this game, and we still can have sportsmanship with it, dear God. Lord, we just thank you for Jesus that come to shed his blood for Lord. Lord, we lift up Juan and anybody else here who's battling the ugly road of cancer, Lord. Just we ask your son's precious name. Amen.
Drive safe, guys. Drive safe. See you on next tournament.
Well, so, guys, man, 46 runs may be some kind of record. I can remember getting beat 52 to like 30 one time, but 46 runs in one
20
game.
in an inning. 20 in an inning. That's what it's all about. You did it.
Yeah, I mean that was a great job. What do y'all think, huh?
I think that was Moxley that beat you out 52-run game.
Shit! They had to add their damn runs up 5 times to get 50 runs. Great job, tournament champions, coming back in the 7th inning both times in the last 2 games. It was a great thing to watch. Great team, great players. Don't forget to subscribe.